Kasama ko ngayon si Gab. Si GB.
After 1 year?
Training ride nila ng Tanay Bike Challenge. Nadamay ako dito sa San Juan, Batangas.
San Juan Bike Challenge.
Nasa first climb pa rin kami. 5 kilometers ba lang. First off-road at putik. Ang ulan kagabi. Ahon. Nakakadalawang tulak na. 3 down. Tulak. 8 kilometers pa lang. Sementado na to.
Buti naman.
Mini river crossing. Spillway. Makaka 10 kilometers pa lang. Halos 30 minutes. Higit. Uli. Mahirap, maputik. Makapit. Oh, plus 3 kilos ang bike. Sobrang putik. Yun, tinatagak ko na niya.
Hindi tinatagal ko eh.
Ayos yan. Isang oras na pala kami, 10 kilometers. Of course, dapat kakanan kami, kakaliwa kami doon. At hindi ko pa rin kabisado yun. Ako na lang muna bubutas. May pader na naman. Pero may daan dito eh. Meron, gusto niyo kang subukan. Diyan ako, papuntang Haibanga. Punta na kami ng Antipolo. River crossing.
Ito part, yun yung mga matataas mo pa to. Ha?
Basa din ng kaunti.
Apoy.
17 kilometers, 600 na ang elevation gain. Taon pa rin. Abroad. At umiinit na. Ipi ang laging nauna sa amin.
Apoy na naman.
checking my wrist, third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex, we look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home, I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's fun legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Winning the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is doing no way around it. Before we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage, I'ma always be solid. I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm here for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, huh. I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10, gotta go, huh. Stack it up till it can't fold, huh. I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10, gotta go, huh. Go, 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 huh. Go, huh. Go, huh. Go. Get up your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine, we felt like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no brainer, happy the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about bend it. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the pass, for back of my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping a page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like getting a thing.
Luso. Ayun, ahon ulit. Ahon, si Gab. Ito, rin ng kaunti. Ahon ulit. Talsikan. Gutom na. Hanap muna ng bayabas. So, bunga bubot pa. Pagbaba kami ng kalabanasan ng Sanawan.
I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10, gotta go, huh. Stack it up till it can't fold, huh. I just did 10 in a row, huh. I just did 10 in a row,
27
huh.
kilometers.
I just did 10, gotta go, huh. Go,
1,000 LFP. Kala namin lusong na. Round pa pala ulit. Puro lusong na sa part na to. Tapos na ang mga ahon. Yun na lang single track ng Shimano Gravel X. Pagpadala. Bakit, Gab? Ito yung papunta ng single track ng Shimano Gravel X. Malapad na ang single track ng Shimano Gravel X.
Ito ba yun?
Oo, ito.
Ito ba yun? Anong ginawa nila dito?
Grenadier din. Dyan. Lux family. First time ko dito. pumasok dun sa mga next trail. Madidiretsohin na namin pagbalik ng Playa Leia. Naka 44 kilometers na rin, 1.3 ang elevation gain. Yung mga last 10 kilometers. Pero patag na to. Nadaan lang kami ng Bensalohalo.
Cool down lang sa pool.